Hello, annoying boy. Huh? Why you're so annoying? Huh? Why you're so annoying? Look at me. See? Scratch my hand again. Why? Now you are good, huh? Your father is out now and then you are like that, huh? You're scheming boy, you know? You're you're very scheming boy. I pinch you. I want my revenge now. Huh? No, you are so no. Show me your annoying. Show me. Show me your different Leo. Come on. Show me now. Now you are talking like that. You're like a dog and biting, huh? See what you did to my hand. See? See that? Say sorry. Say sorry to me. You're annoying boy. Say sorry to me. I just say sorry. I just want to ask you sorry. Why are you fighting me? Why do you want to hit me? Huh? Why? Why you're so annoying? Huh? Why? Just say sorry. I will accept your sorry, Leo. Just say sorry, Amy. I'm very sorry. Like that. Come on. Come on, Leo. Come on. Hey, don't ignore me. Oh, what do you okay, say sorry. Amy, I'm sorry. Say it. Say it. I don't love you now. Say it. Say it. Amy, I'm sorry. Come on. Just say it. Now your father is left and then you look like that. Oh my gosh. Napakaano mo ah. Alam mo ikaw, doble kara ka talaga. You're double kara. I hate you. Hey, say sorry na. Say sorry. Say sorry. Talk to me. No, you're not fighting back, huh? You want me to you want me to look like I'm bad. But you are bad. Now that I'm doing video with you and then you look me like this. And you want me the people me look bad, okay? That's your side of you. Now your ear is up. What is the meaning of that? Huh? You look kind now. Now I'm scolding you and you're not fighting back. You want me that the people see you that you are good, I am bad, huh? You're too bad. I hate you. I don't love you anymore. You're so cute. Even I am angry with you. I'm so cute. You're so cute. Now you're not fighting back to me now, huh? Huh? You're scheming me. You're bad. Oh, see that? See? Oh, now you're fighting me, huh? Now you're fighting me, huh? Ouch! Now you're fighting again, huh? So you show your true colors. Oh, okay. Show your true colors. Okay, no worries. I fight you back also. I fight you back also. Okay, thank you, Leo. That they know who already you are. They knows you already you are, huh? Ouch! 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 Appear. No more fight. Appear na lang. Appear, okay? Thank you. Bye. Say bye-bye to pa. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. I love you guys. Bye-bye. See you later.